Hello, FCS families. I'd like to begin by taking a moment to commend our staff for the hard work that has taken place since the school year started for the majority of our students in August. They have been committed to getting students back into school safely, and they have worked to follow health and safety requirements while also creating inviting learning environments for our students. From our bus drivers to our teachers and our instructional assistants, to our nurses, our counselors, and our social workers, to our child nutrition team, our maintenance team, our technology team, our principals and assistant principals, and all of the support staff at the school and district levels. It takes a significant amount of work to make schools run under ordinary circumstances, and the pandemic has taken those efforts to an entirely different level. We want the same thing that each of you wants, a return to normalcy. Unfortunately, we are not there yet, but we are working to create an engaging and inviting learning environment for our students. Speaking of our students, they have been great in this too. As I've visited schools across the district, I've seen children who are positive, who are happy to be with their peers, who are engaged in active learning and being respectful to the staff and to one another. Last night, the Franklin County Board of Education met, and as part of their regular monthly meeting, they voted to maintain the current masking requirement. This decision was based upon the guidelines provided by the CDC, DHHS, and under the recommendation of our local health department. The board examined local data provided by our health department director, which demonstrates that the COVID-19 variant is having a significant impact on our county. Regardless of how you feel about masks, with CDC requirements for quarantining, we could potentially have half of our student body in quarantine every week based upon the current caseload of COVID-19 in our county. A masking requirement allows us to continue to operate with relatively few quarantine situations directly related to our schools. So we need your assistance with that. We have received some questions from parents regarding when we would make a move to virtual only or when we may shift to a hybrid of A-Day, B-Day like we had in place last year, and I wanted to be really clear about this. Based upon recently passed legislation, these options are not available to us this year. The only time as a district that we may move to an all-virtual learning scenario is if an individual class or a school is temporarily closed to either a significant COVID spread situation or a staffing shortage as a result of COVID, and that would be very short term. We know that quarantining can be frustrating. We understand this. The quarantining requirements are not set by Franklin County Schools. They come from DHHS, and in determining who needs to be quarantined based upon those guidelines, we work under the direction of the health department on that. We do want to be sure that your child has support that they need in the event that they are quarantined and cannot attend school. And we've asked that our teachers post instructional materials on their platform so that students can easily access missing assignments. We've asked that contact be made by the school at least twice weekly for check-in, and that teachers are available to provide additional support to students when needed during office hours or after school. We've also asked that students be given a grace period to complete missing assignments. Our goal is to keep students in school each day. To do this, we need your help in promoting proper mask wearing. That's over the nose and mouth, both nose and mouth covered, keeping your child at home if they are sick or if they have had a COVID exposure, and remaining in contact with the school regarding any health issues your child may be experiencing. For our vaccinated students age 12 and up, they will not have to be quarantined in the event of an exposure as long as they are not exhibiting symptoms. If you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out to your child's school or to the district so that we can assist. As always, we appreciate your support and your partnership as we navigate this new school year. Thank you and have a great day.